Kuhl's quiet technology brings tranquility into your world.
Our inner wall, which is the barrier between the outdoor and the indoor side of the unit, is galvanized steel. Our competitors use styrofoam. Vibration, as you know, is caused by movement. The compressor is the largest moving component on the unit, and the copper tubing is connected to that. Kuhl products are always designed with vibration in mind. We have somewhat of a proprietary design on our tubing. It's a shock-resistant coil. We do this with modal analysis on all of our tubing design, so you can see that it is very important to us and we take pride in that.